Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see multiplication of rational numbers. Consider if a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers. So then their product we can write a by b into c by d. Friends, what we have to do, we have to just take out product of numerator, that is a into c, and product of denominator, that is b into d. For example, we will see multiply. We need to multiply minus 7 by 15 by 5 by minus of 14. So if you want to multiply these two rational numbers, so what we will do, we'll just write on with multiplication sign, and here you need to take a product of numerator, that is minus of 7 into 5 and then 15 into minus of 14. If possible, you can simplify it. Here I can simplify 1s are 5, 3s are 15, and in division both the minus sign will cancel. So this minus will cancel with this minus, and here you can go with 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. In the numerator left 1 into 1, and the denominator left 3 into 2. That is 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6, 1 by 6. In the same way, suppose you need to multiply minus of 8 by 19 by minus of 57. So friends, what we'll do, we'll just write on minus of 8 by 19, you need to multiply by minus of 57, and it is minus of 57 by 1. You can also take it like this. Now just take the product of numerator and product of denominator. If possible, you can simplify it, and here in multiplication this minus will cancel each other. So this minus sign will cancel with this minus sign. Here you can go with 19 1s are 19 3s are, and you just left 8 into 3. That is 8 3s are 24 is the final answer. Now we will see reciprocal of a rational number. So reciprocal for rational number. Friends, a rational number y is called the reciprocal of rational number x, such that y into x and x into y is going to give you 1. For example, you can say here 7 by 8 is there, so its reciprocal is going to be 8 by 7. Why? Because since we know that 7 by 8 into 8 by 7, what we'll get? We'll get 1. So this reciprocal is also called as multiplicative inverse. So it is called as about multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal is also called as a multiplicative inverse. So for any rational number y, there is x such that x into y and y into x, we are going to get a 1, and here 1 is a multiplicative identity. For example, one more example, friends, we can have minus 4 by 9. So it's a reciprocal. Reciprocal is going to be 9 by minus of 4. Since minus 4 by 9 into 9 by minus 4, we are going to get 1. So reciprocal, you need to just flip the rational number, like 7 by 8, you will get 8 by 7. Minus 4 by 9, the reciprocal is 9 upon minus of 4. And friends, we know that 1 and minus 1 are two such numbers which having their own reciprocal. 1 and minus 1 are the only rational numbers which are their own reciprocals. And very important, 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. And friends, in general, if p by q is there, p by q is any rational number, so you can say its reciprocal is going to be q by p. Reciprocal of p by q is going to be q by p, and this q by p you can write like this: p by q of to the power -1. You can write it like this, which is nothing but q by p. So for any rational number you can say p by q, its reciprocal is going to be q by p, and the q by p you can represent as p by q of the power -1. So reciprocal is a next we will see, friends. For example, we can see reciprocal of -7. A reciprocal of -7 is going to be -7. You can write, friends, -7 upon 1. So it's going to 1 upon -7. Again, next, reciprocal of -2 by 5. 5 by -2. Reciprocal of absolute value of 2 by 5. First of all, we'll take out the absolute value. Absolute value of this is nothing but the 2 by 5, and then its reciprocal is 5 by 2. So its reciprocal is 5 by 2. Friends, next we will go for another we will find out division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. For a division of rational numbers, if x and y are any rational numbers such that y is not equal to 0, so then x divided by y is equal to x into what we can take, friends, reciprocal of y. Like for example, to divide a rational number x by any other number y, that means you just need to multiply with its reciprocal. For example, you have a by b. You need to divide a by b, means actually what you are doing, you are multiplying it with reciprocal of this b. Reciprocal of this b is nothing but 1 by b. So this is a general you can write. When you are going to divide a by b, means you are multiplying this a with b's reciprocal. That means this division is converted into multiplication, and this b's reciprocal you are taking, that is 1 by b. So now we'll take one by one examples. For example, we can now divide 6 by 5. You need to divide by 3 by 10. So for that, what we can do, 6 by 25, you need to divide by 3 by 10. So you will write 6 by 25 as it is. Now you need to take a reciprocal of 3 by 10, and this division will convert into multiplication, and this 3 by 10's reciprocal is a 10 by 3. Now friends, just simply multiply it, numerator, or you can simplify here. 3 1s are here, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Upside 2 into 2 and downside 5 into 1, that is 4 by 5 is the answer. Friends, again another example we can take. You need to divide minus 9 by 44 by 3 by 11. So what we can do, we can write minus 44. And this 3 by 11 you need to take its reciprocal, that is 11 by 3. In multiplication you can simplify it. Just take the product of numerator and take the product of denominator. If possible you can cut here. 3 ones are here, 3 threes are. 11 ones are, 11 fours are. Upside is minus 3 into 1.